Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, Bill Thomas Camper Sales, Wentzville, Missouri. Do I have a treat for you? 2027 Airstream Atlas, and this is a Mercedes, and very, very nice. Haven't seen one like this before. It has everything and a kitchen sink, and all for the low price of $269. Oh yeah, $269,000. And let's get inside so we can see, and I'll show you the sticker price if you don't believe me. So there it is. Regularly $327,000. They got it, just came in $269,999. So $270,000, and that's out the door. And these leather seats are so soft. I'm not gonna lie, this is really a hell of a nice Airstream. And you know, Airstream does everything first class. And here's your utensil caddy. Freezer on the bottom, refrigerator on top. Here's your power setup. And so this is really cool. So on this side, we have the commode, and we also have the sink, mirrors, and we have additional cabinet or closet space here. Very nice. All wood throughout. And then it's that nautical nuttiness there as far as your window. Let me slide down the hallway a little bit. And here is your shower. So you have a full length mirror on the door, your hand wand, and then that's your shower stall. And it has the exhaust for the hot air. And cabinets, more cabinets, and more cabinets underneath the bed. So you have a two twin bed setup, flat screen TV, cabinets around the perimeter, and then you have additional storage. And this also goes to the outside. That's what I showed you on the outside. So that's really cool. You can put things there. One thing I could think of that would be nice, you just put a cooler there, and you could keep your, lettuce and your fixins right there, and you still have plenty of room in your refrigerator. And again, the leather is just so soft. So again, this is a 2027 Airstream Atlas, and it's offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. This one's cool. This one is really cool. Thanks for watching. Any comments, questions, leave them on the bottom, and we'll get to them as quickly as we can. We answer every comment or question, unless it's inappropriate. Thanks again.